नमस्कार, मैं भी आप सबका स्वागत करता हूँ, इस्तकबाल करता हूँ, आप सभी दिग्गजों का निहायती अदब से स्वागत करता हूँ. Thank you so much, Amit uncle, for being here. You'll be hearing a lot of thank yous in the course of the evening. But it's such an honor to have you, Jayanti, all of you here. Thank you so much. We started with a tribute to the iconic poet and composer, Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. 2 songs. First was Kaun Khela Je Khelbo Kokhon, and then, of course, Akla Cholo, which has been so wonderfully sung by Amit uncle also. The next piece, it's in a beautiful rag called Bhageshri. It has a few words called Angna More, Tore Kadam, Khwaja More, Kariyo Karam. So this was from one of our earlier albums, and the piece was called Blessing. So, the blessing. Ustad Daud Khan Sadozai. On the dholak, Shri Naveen Sharma. And on the tabla, Shri Satyajit Talholkar.
Evening, Show House. They just did a fabulous job of clearing up this stage in a couple of minutes. Could we have a round of applause for Show House, please? I would like to invite on stage Ms. Zareen Daruwala, CEO, Standard Chartered Bank, to come up to stage. Good evening. Mr. Vikram Mehra, would you join us on stage? Ms. Daruwala, would you like to say a few words, please? Could we have a mic? Could we have the artists back on stage as well? Aman, Ayan. Please.
I think Standard Chartered is very privileged to be a sponsor for this evening. The ancient history of Rabab is something that we at Standard Chartered can relate to. We've been in this country for more than 150 years, and I think I see a parallel between Rabab and Standard Chartered. The way Rabab has touched the lives and through its music, I think we as Standard Chartered, through the way we've served our customers for over 150 years, I think I see a complete parallel there. And it has been a really lovely evening. Thank you, everybody. And thank you, Aman, and everybody who have performed on the stage. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Invite on stage the General Manager, Vivanta by Taj President, Ms. Ashrafi Machiswala. May I request the artists, the musicians, to please join us on stage. Ayan Ali Bangash, Aman Ali Bangash, one who is an inspiration, whose career and whose lifetime is an inspiration to us all. Shri Amitabh Bachchan ji, please join us on stage. May I request Mr. Bachchan to kindly unveil the album along with Ms. Daruwala. Ms. Daruwala, do join them to unveil and launch the album. May I ask Ustad Amjad Ali Khan to join us also on stage, please? Jaya ji, please. Ladies and gentlemen, The Journey. It's fantastic. Please come up on stage. We have copies to give you of the album. Please do join us. Please do join us. Jaya ji, please. It would be a privilege. Thank you to all of you who have graced us with your presence this evening for the launch of this album, The Journey. May I now ask Mr. Bachchan to say a few words, please?
So much, Amjad Ali Khan Sahab, for inviting me here today and making me a part of this wonderful journey from the Rabab to the Sarod. I'm sure that all of you have been enlightened by today's performance and the music, the history, the geography, and of course the technology that has gone into all this, and to be in the presence of such wonderful talents. For me personally, it's another kind of journey. Both Aman and Ayan were introduced to me as little toddlers, many, many years ago. And to see them today become masters of their craft, tutored by the eminent Amjad Ali Khan Sahab, is indeed a wonderful journey, which I want to appreciate. It's very rare for heads of family to follow the tradition into the next generation, and really want to compliment and thank you for continuing this tradition into your family and hopefully into the next generation that will come. Following tradition is a wonderful aspect of our society and our culture, and we're very privileged and proud that all our elders have always insisted that, in a sense, push their generation into the same profession. Unfortunately, with me, it did not happen because when I was young, somebody asked my mother, so is your son going to be another poet? And she said, well, one poet in the family is enough. So I didn't follow that profession. But thank you so much, Amjad Ali Khan Sahab, for building these two into wonderful masters by themselves, and I'm wishing them all the very best. You talked earlier on, ma'am, about the diversity of music, which Khan Sahab had said that whether it's classical or whether it's pop, it's the same thing. I couldn't agree with you more. I have heard their music for time immemorial. I have had their earlier CDs with me, and just to give you a description of it, it plays with me when I drive in the car as kind of sentimental, emotional music, and I also hear it when I'm in the gymnasium, so it kind of links the two.
Bridges all boundaries.
Once again, Aman and Ayan, thank you so much for this wonderful performance, and to you, Khan Sahab, for being with us today and making us a part of this wonderful journey. Thank you so much, ladies.
Satyajit Talwalkar on the tabla. Naveen Sharma on the dholki. Thank you once again to all our musicians. It has been a privilege and an honor. Thank you so much. Thank you to the press. Thank you so much. We are very grateful to our sponsors. Once again, Standard Chartered Bank, Saregama India Limited, Vivanta by Taj, President Mumbai. Please do join us for mocktails and refreshments in the outside foyer. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Good night.